When a person is vomiting profusely, the acid loss increases. This causes the blood pH to go up, resulting in metabolic alkalosis, which is the problem. This is fixed by the respiratory system. We call this respiratory compensation. This is done by hypoventilation, and when there is hypoventilation, carbon dioxide levels in the blood start to increase. When carbon dioxide levels increase, the pH becomes more acidic. The blood pH becomes more acidic and goes back to normal. When a person hyperventilates, carbon dioxide removal increases because of increased exhalation. This causes the blood carbon dioxide levels, PCO2 levels, to go down. And as a result, the blood pH increases. The problem that arises is respiratory alkalosis. This is the problem. How can we fix this? This is fixed by renal compensation. The kidneys, they eliminate bicarbonate ions, which are basic, and retain hydrogen ions, which are acidic. As a result, there is a base loss and an acid gain, which means the pH is going to become more acidic, which means the blood pH goes down and goes back to normal. When a person has diabetes, their cells are starved of glucose, so they use fatty acids as the primary fuel. As a result, keto acids accumulate in the blood. This causes the blood pH to go down, and the result is metabolic acidosis. This is fixed by respiratory compensation. So there is hyperventilation, which removes more carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide is removed, the blood carbon dioxide levels go down, resulting in the blood pH increasing and going back to normal. When a person has an asthma attack, breathing out is difficult. As a result, carbon dioxide removal goes down. When carbon dioxide removal goes down, blood PCO2 or blood levels of carbon dioxide increase. When carbon dioxide increases, the blood pH goes down and becomes more acidic. We call this respiratory acidosis. It is fixed by renal compensation. The kidneys respond by eliminating hydrogen ions and retaining bicarbonate ions. As a result, you have acid loss and base gain. This causes the blood pH to go up and go back to normal.